Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the issue of we have detected unusual activity on your Google account. You may have received that message from Google. So if you want to solve that issue, then first you need to go to any of the Google application. After that, go to your account on your top right. Then you have to go to manage your account, Google account. After clicking on that, you'll see these options. You have to go to the security option. After going to security option, you have to go to the password option here. Click on password. It will tell you to log in again. After that, after re-logging in, as you can see, it has taken me to this page where I can see where I can set a new password here, confirm a new password here, and change the password from here. So that is the easiest way to do so. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and thanks for watching.